Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the resolution of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our project. From here we have to select one that we want to edit. And then here we have to find in the top of the screen, in the top right corner, the little rectangle. And here we can, after we tap on it, we can set the resolution of the video that is going to be exported. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.